Welcome back. In this video, we'll learn about time pickers. A time picker is a UI widget that allows users to select a specific time of day using a graphical interface. It's commonly used in scenarios where you need to gather time-related information from the user, such as setting alarms or scheduling events. Let's create a time picker example in Android Studio. Start with the time picker tag, wrap content, and you can see it appears. I'll add the ID of this time picker, and that's it. Infer constraints, and we've done with the XML. Let's move to the main activity.java, and here I'll initialize the time picker. We need to listen for the changes in the time picker. So when the user selects a specific time, we need to listen to this change. So we need to set up on time changed listener. So time picker here dot set on time changed listener, new time picker, and on time changed, I need to handle time change. The hour of day and minute are parameters provide the selected time. So when the user select the time, it will be stored in this hour of day and minute parameters, and I can make use of these two parameters in order to display the user picked time. So I need to create a toast message that allows us to display the time that the user selected. I'll make it as length long hour, and I'll use hour of day plus, and I'll make a concatenation of this string minute. Let's run our application, and this is our example. If I select 8 and hour 50, you can see hour 20 and minute 50. If you want to reselect the time, I click the hour 8. I can select, for example, AM hour 8 and not 20. 4 and minutes 00. You can see hour 4 and minute 0.